Hello everyone. So in this class we are going to discuss about the simple equations. In this class we are discussing about the simple equations. Simple equations means, what is the meaning of simple equation first? Simple equation means, before going to discuss about the simple equation, first we discuss about linear equation. We discuss first linear equation means an equation having degree 1, an equation having the degree 1, then that equation is called as the linear equation. An equation having the highest exponent is called as the 1, then that equation is called a linear equation. Means you can see one example here, x plus 2y is equal to 3 or x plus 7 is equal to 5. These two are the examples of linear equations, because here in the first example two variables are there, x and y. What is the power of x here? 1. What is the power of y here? 1. That means the highest power is 1 only. So that's why it is called as a linear equation. Coming to second example, here only single variable is there, that variable is x. What is the power of x here? 1. So that means the degree of this equation is also 1 only. That means this is also called as the linear equation. But this is the linear equation in two variables and this is the linear equation in one variable. Is it clear here? Yeah. This is the linear equation in two variables. What are the two variables in this linear equation? X and y. But in this linear equation only single variable is there. What is that variable here? X only. That means a linear equation having single variable, a linear equation having single variable, then it is called a simple equation. Is it, are you understanding this one? Yes. A linear equation having a simple equation, that means a linear equation is called a simple equation, composes that linear equation having only one variable, means the linear equation involves in only single variable is called as a simple equation. Now see one more example, y plus 7 is equal to minus 3 or 2p plus 11 is equal to minus 30. So these are all simple equations only, because of all these are the linear equations having single variable only. Understood? Means a simple equation, the general form of the simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. The general form of the simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. That means here a and b are the constants. Here a comma b are constants, and where a is not equals to 0 here, where a comma b are belongs to real numbers here, that means constants, and a is not equals to 0. And this is the linear equation in the variable of x here. X is the variable here. Means how can you see that? Means, see for example here, ax plus b is equal to 0 and ax is equal to, if we send this plus b to the RHS, that means minus b, x is equal to what we get here? Minus b by a. That means x is equal to minus b by a is the solution of the given linear equation, ax plus b is equal to 0. That means if we substitute x is equal to minus b by a in this LHS part, compulsory we get 0 only. So that's why it is called as the solution of the given linear equation. So that means a simple equation has how many solutions? Only unique solution. The simple equation has only one solution, only unique solution. But whereas a linear equation in two variables has, for example, if you see x plus y is equal to 3 here, it is also linear equation, but not in single variable. This is a linear equation in two variables. Now this linear equation has how many variables are there? Now for example, if we substitute x is equal to 1 here, if we substitute x is equal to 1 here, compulsory y value is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. That means 1 comma 2 is the solution of the given linear equation. Now if we substitute x is equal to 2 here, that means y is equal to what we get? 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. that means 2 comma 1 is a one more solution. Like that, if you take any values of x, compulsory we get y values also. That means there are infinite solutions are there. There are infinite solutions for a linear equation in two variables. There are infinite linear equations, there are infinite solutions are there for a linear equation in two variables. But a linear equation in single variable has how many solutions? Only single solution is there. Example this one. Now for example, take any one example in for simple equation. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the solution of this equation? Means now send this minus 3 to RHS. That means 2x is equal to minus 3 to send to RHS means that become plus 3, and x is equal to this value is 3 by 2 here. Understood? X is equal to 3 by 2 is the solution of the given linear equation. Is it clear here? So before that, first we discuss some basic concepts here. Means see here. So in this 2x minus 3 is equal to 7, for example, if you take this one, so equality left side, equality right side is there. That means for equality the left side part is called as the LHS part. For equality the right side is part called as the RHS part. That means left hand side, right hand side. So in this, what is the LHS? 2x minus 3. And what is the RHS? 7. Now in the LHS, in the RHS, for example, a quantity is there in the LHS part, that is the plus quantity. If we send that plus quantity to RHS, that become negative quantity. That becomes that means the quantity change its sign. Plus become minus. That means plus 3 become minus 3. Plus 7 become minus 7. Minus 5 become plus 5. When the LHS has plus quantity, if we send that plus quantity to the RHS, then it becomes negative quantity. For example, in the LHS, negative quantity is there. If we send that negative quantity to the RHS, that become plus quantity. For example, a quantity is multiplying in the LHS, then if we send to the RHS, that becomes division of the something in the RHS. For example, a number is in the division in the LHS, if we send that value to the RHS, that becomes as a multiplying. Is it clear here? Now see, before example only, what is that here? 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 here. Now first we will send the positive or negative values to the other side. First we will send the positive addition or subtraction values only. That means here subtraction minus 3 is there. That means now we will send this minus 3 to the RHS. That means if you send negative value to the RHS, that become what? Plus here. That means minus 3 become plus 3, and already here plus 7 is there in the RHS. That means 2x is equal to 3 plus 7, 10. Means now here 2x is nothing but 2 into x. 2x, how can you define? 2 into x. Means here 2 is multiplying with x. Then if we send that 2 to the RHS, that becomes divider of the 10. That means x is equal to 10 by 2. So in the division will come divider of the 10. That means because of 2 is in the multiplying in the LHS. Multiplication if we send to the RHS, then what will become? Divide. That means 10 by 2. That is nothing but 10 by 2 means how much? 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 is a solution of the given linear equation. Understood this one? Yes. Come to one, we'll discuss one more example. Then in real life, how can you use these simple equations? How can you use? For example, see one example here. I am taking one example here. First one, 5 added to a number 9. 5 added to a number, 5 is added to a number is 9. Now if you observe, see the statement clearly here. 5 is added to a number. We don't know that number, but the total result is 9 only here. if we add 5 to the something number, then the result is 9. That means we don't know that number. Now I am taking that number is x here. For that number, how much we are adding here? 5. Adding 5 means plus 5 only, na? Addition means plus. The total result, when you adding 5 to the number, the total result is how much? 9. Is means here is equal to. Is means is equal to. That means when you add 5 to the number, then the total result become 9. X plus 5 is equal to 9. X is equal to. Before we discuss, if we send plus 5 to the RHS, plus become negative. That means 9 plus 5 minus plus 5 become minus 5. And x is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. So what is that number here? 4 only. Now once you check, 5 is added to 4. 5 plus 4, 9 only, na? That means the result is 9 only. Yes. For example, see one more example here. Second one. 4 times a number 4 times a number decreased 4 times a number decreased by 3 is 5. Is means I already said. Is means is equal to. Now see here. 4 times a number. This is one number. Decreased by 3. This is second number. 4 times a number. A number means we don't know that number. Let it be that number is x nana here. Means I am taking the number is x. First what we do? The number is 4 times a number. Times means here multiplication. 4 times means 4 into x. That is 4 into x is nothing but 4x. So 4 times a number. A number means x. 4 times means 4 into x, 4x. And decreased by 3. So this number is decreased. Decreased means less. That means minus. Decreased means minus. Minus. How much we are decreasing? 3. That means minus 3. And is means what? Is equal to. The total result is 5. That means when you decrease 3 from 4 times a number, that result is 5. That means 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. Now first what we send? 4 or 3? First 3. Already I said addition, subtraction symbols we have to send to the RHS first. That means 4x is equal to 5. Minus 3 become plus 3. 4x is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. And 4 is multiplying x here. When you send this 4 to the RHS, that becomes divide. That means x is equal to what? 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are. X is equal to how much here? 2. Understood this one? X is equal to is a solution of this equation. If it is correct or not, how can you check it? By verification. By substituting that x value in that. Now substitute in that. Take LHS here. Yes, what is LHS here? 4x minus 3. In that just substitute x is equal to. That means 4 into 2 minus 3. Means 4 2s are 8 minus 3. That means 4 2s are 8 minus 3 means 8 minus 3, 5. 5 is nothing but here RHS only, na? Yes. So that means LHS is equal to RHS? Yes. So if LHS is equal to RHS, compulsory this x value satisfies the given equation. That means it is a solution of the given equation. Understood here? Yes. So in next video we will discuss some more examples related to this simple equation. Yes. Are you understanding this one? Yes. Okay. Thank you.